According to a new report by Reports and Data, the global caustic soda market size was $43.80 billion in 2021 and register a revenue CAGR of 5.3% during the forecast period. Caustic soda is used for manufacturing petroleum, paper and pulp, oil and gas, textile, chemical industries, deodorants, pesticides, plastics, and soaps and detergents. It has increased consumption for domestic cleaning in countries such as India, China, Pakistan, and others, and a wide range of applications of alumina in the manufacturing of automobiles owing to its lightweight property. Caustic soda is easily available and is affordable and is a preferred chemical compound to remove heavy metals from water. These factors are driving the revenue growth of the market. Caustic soda is also used to produce pharmaceutical products and medicines such as painkillers, blood clotting prevention anticoagulants, and cholesterol-reducing medications. Caustic soda is also used to remove diseased or dead tissues. Thank you.